Last one golden ace, please. Okay. Yo, what's up guys, Razor Affiliate here and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I record in Keydrop. I have 1k on my balance. Before I start, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and comment this video. Don't forget to follow me on my Kick and don't forget to follow me on my Twitter for daily giveaways, daily live streams and more content. Okay, if you're looking for best bonus guys on Keydrop, let's use my promo code Razor Affiliate. Best promo code. Just click add fonts in top right corner in a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply. For 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. On left side you can find payment methods. You can pay by everything. Also, you can click on promotional code in top left corner and you can enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click collect. If you're looking for free gold on Keydrop, just click free gold section, scroll down and you can find steps how to claim it. Easy steps guys, so let's claim free golds and you can do case opening. I have 19k on my balance, so I'll try with best one, maybe this one, Emerald Cut. Okay, let's see. Stop on red line, please. Okay, this one, Glock. $12. That's not bad, guys. Okay, let's start with case battles, guys, on Keydrop. Also, you can join on free case battles. You just need to find green icon free and just click join the battle. I'll join this one, $110. 9 cases. And let's see, starting with Starfleet cases from Galactic War event. Can we hit profit here? Okay, in this case battle I can see new cases, limited edition, the Riddler and Golden Ace, and one Black Queen. Come on, let's see this one. Bad skins only, but he led with $23. Come on, one good hit here I need. Okay, 3 golden ace cases. P90 Asimov, okay, $7 only. That's so bad. He got this one minimal wear. USP, holy shit, man. Okay, last one golden ace. Please, something good. One knife. Man. Okay, last one case. Black Queen from limited edition cases. And yeah, I lost this one. Unlucky first one. He created same case battle, so let's see guys. Money back please. Starting with Starfleet, 2 of them. Last one. Only bad skins. Bullshit. Come on man. 1 inspector case. Drop that glows. Drop that glows, man. What the fuck, you dropped me Tech 9 $2. This one I'm for so bad. Come on Riddler, drop something good. Legend of Anubis AK, $12 minimal wear. That's so bad, man. Imagine this one Karambit, guys. Imagine. Too many baits, too many baits. Last one golden ace, please. Okay. $384 Gamma Doppler knife. Okay, man. That's huge win. That's crazy. $676. Okay. Let me see. Can I join on one? Only low price case battles. Okay, this one is 1k, but I don't have 1k. I'll create 1 gloves. Okay, 1 gloves, $127. We need 1 player. Come on, man. Okay, let's try. We bought this one. Bottom. And wish me luck, guys. Here, only 1 gloves, $127. That's loose, I think. Yeah, unlucky. Okay, let's join this one. $38. 4 Starfleet cases and 3 Riddler cases. Come on. Starfleet, drop something good here, please. Imagine $100 voucher, guys. That's impossible. Okay, only bullshit skins. Come on, man. Something better, please. Holy shit, man. Okay, let's see Riddler cases. 3 of them, come on. This one M for $2. He'll leave with 27, okay. And last one, let's see last one case. Come on. Last one, GG. Guys, on Keydrop you can join on events, tournaments, giveaways. You can check this one event, Galactic War event. 28 days left. You can create case battles. You can do case opening. I will try open armor cases, 3 of them. $120. And let's see, can we make profit here? Ah, we can't. $35 only. Okay, I'll join this one. $194 case battle. Only 6 cases, starting with armor case. And okay, $24 factory new Legend of Anubis AK. That's not bad. YouTuber case. 23. Okay. Just keep, man. Let's try Black Queen, Desert Eagle. 18. Okay. Asian Fang case. Let's see. Bullet Queen Glock, $5. I lead with 71. Okay guys, last one case for profit or lose. And that's not profit, man. That's so unlucky. I lose $50 here. Okay, let's try to upgrade now. This one, Slaughter Minimal Wear. Maybe I can add 1 gloves. Okay, 60% guys. Wish me luck. Please, broski. And no way, man. No way. Okay, this one case battle, $160. PvP only knife. Come on. That's same shit. We need left side. Pick on left. Come on. Oh man. Okay, last one guys. $127 case battle. We need 1 player here to join. Only glows. Okay, nobody joined. I'll try, but let's see. 1 huge hit here, please, man. Please. And that's bullshit. Okay, I won this one. But that's not profit. Okay guys, so if you're looking for best bonus, let's use my promo code. Just click promotional code in top left corner, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate, and just click collect for 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents. That's it. Don't forget to like and comment this video. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow in new video. Bye.